Welcome to Geek Club. In this short video, we're going to talk through a type of verbal reasoning question known as complete the calculation. We'll start by going through two examples. Have a read of the question. Find the number that should replace the question mark to complete the calculation. Okay, let's have a look at this one first. So we've got 43 plus 11 equals something plus 24. So the aim of this type of question is to ensure that both sides of the equal sign balance out. So we get the same answer on the left-hand side of the equal sign and the right-hand side. The first step is to actually calculate as much as we can on each side. So if we look at this question, we've got 43 plus 11. Well, we can calculate what that is. So 43 plus 11 is 54. And we need the other side to also equal 54. So we've got something plus 24 equals 54. And now this is just a maths question. So we can tell from looking at this that the number we need to add to 24 to make 54 would be 30. So that would be the right answer here. Let's have a look at this example, which has a few more numbers in. So we've got 12 times 5 divided by 6. Now remember, in a calculation, if you have more than one operation, so more than one add or multiply or divide, then there is a specific order that we have to do it in. Remember BIDMAS? That tells us the order in which we should do calculations. It stands for brackets, so anything in brackets first. Indices, which means any kind of power, so 2 squared or 2 cubed, that kind of thing needs to be done next. Then division and multiplication need to be done next, but they are equal in priority, so we can do them at the same time. And then finally, addition and subtraction are the last things we should do. So looking back at the question, we've got 12 times 5 divided by 6. Well, multiply and divide have the same priority in BIDMAS, so we can just do them in the order in which they come. So 12 times 5 is 60, divided by 6 is 10. So this side equals 10. And so we need to make sure the other side equals 10 too. We've got 89, take away 9, take away something, which should equal 10. Well, we can't work it all out now, but we can work out this bit. We can do 89 take away 9, and we know that's 80. So now we've got 80 take away something needs to equal 10. And again, that's just a normal maths question. So 80 take away 70 would equal 10. So that would be the right answer here. Here are 4 more questions for you to try. Pause the video now, and then once you've done them, replay it, and we'll go through the answers together. Okay, let's do question 1 first. So on the left side, we've got 94 plus 6, which we know equals 100. And on the right side, we've got something plus 33. So something plus 33 equals 100. So that something must be 67. Okay, the next one, we've got 1 plus 27 on the left side. So 1 plus 27 is 28. And that has to equal 4 times something. Well, we know from our times tables that 4 times 7 is 28. So the correct answer here is 7. Question 3. 79 plus 17 plus 1 equals something plus 25. Okay, so let's work out the left-hand side. So 79, I'm going to add the 1 first, because that will be easier. 79 and 1 is 80, and then add the 17 makes 97. And that equals something plus 25. So we need a number that's 25 less than 97, which should be 72. So that's the right answer there. Okay, number 4 looks a bit more complicated. We can see we've got something in brackets. So 5 plus 44 and then divided by 7. So remembering BIDMAS, that tells us that anything in brackets should be calculated first. So we'll do 5 plus 44, which is 49, and then divide it by 7, and that would give us 7. So 7 equals 100 minus 81 minus something. Well, we can work out the 100 minus 81 bit. So 100 minus 81 would give us 19, but then we still need to take away something to make 7. And you can see that 19 take away 12 would be 7. So that's the correct answer here. And that's it for this question type. So you can see it's basically a maths question, but the aim is for both sides of the equal sign to balance out. So the left-hand side and the right-hand side need to equal the same thing. And we need to calculate the answers for the complete side and calculate as much as we can on the other side to make a really straightforward calculation that helps us find the unknown number. But don't forget, when you do mathematical questions, you need to remember BIDMAS, okay, the order in which you do calculations. So anything in brackets needs to be done first, and dividing and multiplying needs to be done before addition and subtraction. If you'd like to try some practice questions, you can visit the website at www.geekclubkids.co.uk.